Hey, I'm going to show you how to get soft, glowing feet. And when I mean they are soft, they are baby soft. And it is a product, I'm telling you, it is just amazing as what it can do to give you soft feet. And I'm going to show you the day-to-day progress that actually took place because some of it is not too pretty. But what I did to get my feet to glow. And it starts right now. Okay, this is the product that you put on your feet, and as you see, it's wrapped around your foot. So you put this on. It actually fits kind of cozy, so you want to make sure it's on correctly. Okay, now that this the product is on, I actually put a sock to cover it up because if you walk around, you want to make sure that it doesn't slide off. So you keep this on and just wait. This is day one. No change. Of course, nothing's really happening the first day. Skin start to look a little dry. Here is day two. I was thinking, is this stuff really working? Not really seeing much change. So I said, we're just going to keep it going. I'm going to keep trying it. Day three, I noticed my feet start being a lot more drier. The more lotion I put on, nothing seems to really make it look better. And then day four, as you see, it's starting to peel. It's starting to flake. This is part of the process. Not too pretty. Day five, it is not pretty at all. You see the dry skin and it's starting to peel so bad. I just want to take it off. Day six, and you're really starting to see it work. You think, oh my gosh, this is not pretty. I want to hide my feet, but you just keep on going. And I couldn't take it. Day seven, I scrubbed off, and this is what I got after all this scrubbed off. So I want you to see the difference. This is the day one, and when I first started out, how my feet looked. So I wanted you to see day one from the last day. And here's the final result. So you see, it does make a difference. You have to try it.